So I am heading over next door because that's where my Nana lives, and we are going to the Center of the Universe, Yankee Candle. They are having this massive sale, so, you know, we got to go check it out and pick up some essentials. See what I did there? Essentials. Good one, Dale. All right, let's go. Match today. So my camera died when we were at Yankee Candle, but me and Nana had such a great time going through the semi-annual sale. There was so many good deals, we couldn't even candle it. Get it? Candle? Where's my dang receipt? It looks like I lost my receipt, but I pretty much remember what I paid for everything. But I do remember that when I looked at my receipt when I left, I had saved a total of 45 bucks. Nothing holds a candle to those kind of deals. So essentially, I bought a lot of candles because, you know, that's what you do. So I will show you everything. And they like wrap everything so pretty. It's like Christmas. Where do I start? Okay, let's just pick this one. What is in here? Oh, okay. So this is a margarita time. It's a small jar and it smells like a margarita and I want to eat it. The small jars are like $5, they're usually $11, so that's a really good deal. But this one is for my best friend Tiffany because she loves margaritas and I miss her, so I'm sending this down to North Carolina for you. I also got you a matching car jar, so your car will also smell like margaritas. It was only $1. What's next? What's next? I really liked the margarita time, if you couldn't tell, but this is an air freshener, so your bathroom can smell like margaritas because who doesn't want your bathroom to smell like margaritas? Everywhere should smell like margaritas. Margaritaville. This is next. I'm really excited about this. Look how pretty. It's a little candle holder, and I got some candles to go in it. It's a beach holiday. It was $1, I think. It smells like salty, sandy sea breeze. And so it's gonna go in here, and the lights are gonna come out. It's gonna be twinkly stars, and I'm very excited about it. This puppy was, I think, like $3, $4. So this one wasn't actually on sale, so I think I paid like a whole $2 for it. But it's orange dreamsicle. It's another one that I want to eat. Ugh, it's a good one for summer too. I feel like the beach holiday and the dreamsicle are good summer scents. I got some tea light candles in Flowers in the Sun, which smell like sunflowers to me, and sunflower is my favorite flower. These were, I think, $5 for 12 of them. Oh, I love that. So I got this cute little plate thingy for my candles, and I thought it was wicked cute. Too far? Too much of a stretch? I don't think so. I think that's a good one. Yeah, so this was like less than $5, I think. Let's take a step away from candles for a second. So it was $7.99 for 3. So I got one for myself, one for my Nana, and one for my mom. Very pretty. This one's for Nana. It's some something herbs. I forget what mom's was too, but mine is peaches. It smells amazing. Like, I just want to eat all of these things. I must be hungry. Got another car jar, Citrus Tango. These little wax creations that you melt in the potpourri pot. Pumpkin ginger bark, and it smells amazing. They're gonna be perfect for fall. These were 99 cents each. I'm really surprised that I can still smell after today. I think I smelled every candle in Yankee Candle. We got a Margaritaville collection, Mother Ocean, cute little jar. Oh right, I forgot about this. So I'm going to a wedding at the end of the summer, so I picked up the wedding day Yankee Candle, and I think this jar was $8. Oh, so romantic. I think that this is a cute little gift, hopefully. Oh, the very last thing, and this wasn't on sale, but I have been dying to find this candle. It's the Mountain Lodge, and you might have heard about it on like Tumblr or Instagram or Twitter or somewhere. It's called the Boyfriend Candle. I didn't believe the hype, and then I smelled it. Do you know what this candle smells like? Chris Hemsworth in like a pine forest shirtless, training a pack of wolves, and like chopping lumber to build a campfire. That's exactly what it smells like to me. If you ever get lonely, you just need a Mountain Lodge candle. And that is everything that I bought. It was a really successful haul, I think. I'm super excited about everything that I got. Got some stuff for summer, for fall, and I got some gifts, which is awesome. So you could say that I am a fandle of Yankee Candle. If you want, you can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, Adventures in Starting Over. And I will see you next week. Until then, I hope you have a sensational